Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up important files to an external drive or cloud storage. Make sure you have administrator rights on the Windows 7 computer before proceeding. Connect the PC to a stable internet connection, wired or reliable Wi-Fi. Avoid mobile hotspots. Open Control Panel and install all critical Windows updates from Windows Update first. Restart the computer after updates complete to avoid conflicts during Directx installation. Also check available disk space and free at least 500 MB for temporary files. Open your browser and go to Microsoft's official download center to get Directx. Search for the Directx end-user runtime web installer and confirm publisher is Microsoft. Download the web installer, which is typically about 300 KB in size. Save the installer to a known folder such as Downloads for easy access. Run the installer by right-clicking and choosing Run as Administrator to avoid permission errors. Follow the prompts to accept the license, and let the installer download missing Directx components. After the installer finishes, restart the PC even if not explicitly requested. Open the Run dialog with Windows key plus R and type dxdiag, then press Enter. Allow the tool to check for digital signatures and hardware acceleration when prompted. Review the Directx version listed on the System tab. It shows the core runtime version. If games still fail, update GPU drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and reboot. Optionally install the Directx end-user runtimes, June 2010, for legacy game files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.